All right, we have our new BlūSeries bracket and antenna setup to make life super easy for retrofitting or setting up a brand new center station with BlūSeries capabilities. So this new bracket fits around any conduit from 3/4 inch all the way up to 1.5 inch inner diameter. So it's a little more give in the outer diameter. Just kind of screw that in with our little brackets here.
No need to take anything off the pole. You just put it on with the
Yeah.
blue receiver right above it. And then you're obviously gonna crank these down nice and tight with a wrench when you get it in, but then you're gonna just, and this is the cable going down to the center station, and you're gonna hook all your 434 antennas.
2.4 gigahertz antennas.
Yeah, 2.4 gigahertz antennas.
It's a hard habit to break.
Yeah, it is.
Nice short coax, no signal loss, not expensive at all. They come pre-installed on these antennas. Yeah, 4 channels. You just want to make sure you record what direction your antennas are going for each one of your 4 channels. And then you got the Ethernet cable here coming down from your BlūSeries receiver down to your sensor station, and you are good to go. Super fast install, real easy. Get it now on our store. It's under the BlūSeries receiver. Full setup, $425, includes the receiver, antennas, hardware, everything you need.